Welcome to our Obstetric Bedside Ultrasound Curriculum. We've put together a collection of our favorite online educational videos to master 4 learning objectives as an introduction to bedside ultrasound. Learning objective number 1, ultrasound ergonomics. The upper arm should be close to the body, abduction less than 30 degrees, and the elbow at a 90-degree angle, that is, the forearm should be horizontal to the floor. Poor positioning while performing bedside ultrasound can cause pain, tingling, numbness, or weakness at common sites of injury, including the wrist, cervical spine, and shoulder. Practicing ultrasound ergonomics while you scan is a great way to avoid overuse injuries. Learning objective number 2, distinguishing ultrasound planes. The coronal plane will divide the body into front and back, or anterior and posterior. The sagittal plane divides the body into right and left. The transverse, or axial plane, divides the body into superior and inferior, or upper and lower. Learning objective number 3, common probe movements. Sliding the probe along the narrow axis will center your object of interest on the screen. The narrow axis is noted by the red line. Dipping or rocking refers to tilting the probe along its narrow axis. This movement will make a point of interest appear horizontal on the screen. When you are in a transverse plane, sweeping along the broad axis of the probe will help you obtain serial transverse images of a structure of interest. The broad axis is noted by the blue line. Angling the probe by tilting along the broad axis will change oblique views to appear more transverse. Angling is also commonly called tipping. Rotating the probe clockwise or counterclockwise will change the plane of the image on the screen. With practice, you'll learn to combine movements to optimize your view. In this example, to make the femur appear horizontal on the screen, you dip, and to center the image, you slide. Dip and slide. Learning objective number 4, image optimization with depth and gain. Let's look at depth. Eliminating unneeded depth from your screen will optimize your view for better resolution and clarity of your object of interest. You can adjust depth with a knob or by swiping up or down, depending on your ultrasound machine. Now let's look at gain. You can think of gain as brightness. Increasing the gain amplifies returning frequencies, making the image appear brighter. Fluid should appear black when correct gain settings are applied. You can adjust gain by twisting a knob or by swiping left or right, depending on your ultrasound machine. In Lesson 1, we had 4 learning objectives. 1. Set yourself up for success with safe ergonomic ultrasound practices. 2. Distinguish between anatomic planes. 3. Describe the 5 key ultrasound probe movements. 4. Understand how to use gain and depth to improve your image. For the full-length videos featured today and more awesome ultrasound content, check out our references.